Please drive carefully on the road. Please drive carefully on the road.
Don't worry. I always drive safely. Trust me. Don't worry. I always drive safely. Trust me.
I know, but the roads are very busy today. I know, but the roads are very busy today.
I am putting on my helmet right now. I am putting on my helmet right now. The motorcycle is starting. Listen to that engine sound.
Ha! It sounds so strong. I love this bike.
I am going slowly. See? Everything is fine now.
Where are we going today? You never told me. Where are we going today? You never told me.
I want to take you to the Riverside Park. I want to take you to the Riverside Park.
Oh, that is so lovely. I love that place.
I know you love it. That is why I chose it. I know you love it. That is why I chose it.
Slow down! There is a dog on the road. Slow down. There is a dog on the road. Thank you. How far is the park from here? Thank you. How far is the park from here?
About 15 minutes away. We will be there soon. About 15 minutes away. We will be there soon.
Okay. Look at the sky. It is so blue today. Okay. It is so blue today.
Yes! It is a perfect day for a ride. It is a perfect day for a ride. Are you comfortable back there? Is the seat okay?
Yes, I am fine. The seat is comfortable enough. Yes, I am fine. The seat is comfortable enough. Oh, is that a market over there on the left? Oh, is that a market over there on the left?
Yes, it is. We can stop there on the way back.
Yes.
It is. We can stop there on the way back.
Oh, great! I need to buy some vegetables today.